Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 20th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame to start with. So, anyways, on the US dollar yen, I mean, we had non farm payroll news today. It didn't really affect the dollar yen too much, kind of up and down a little bit, but we still do not have that break of structure down. If it does decide to break the structure to the downside, the first thing I would do is sell my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move because I don't think the daily and weekly is done with its uptrend. But at least then you could possibly look for some shorts if you want to. Until we actually get some sort of a break of structure to the downside, I still recommend longs. I mean, there's always a chance this thing does keep on going up. It definitely seems ready for a pullback because it has a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape, which is why if you do see a break of structure, it potentially would be a crescent to the whole move up and maybe worth looking for some shorts. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.